Good morning and welcome all to my YouTube channel Study with me. Today in this video we will discuss about a very important part of English grammar, that is voice change. There are two types of voices. One is active voice and another one is passive voice. When we give emphasis on persons, we use active voice, and when we give emphasis on action, we use passive voice. Before doing the voice change, we have to keep a golden rule in our mind. That means when we change the voice in a sentence, the subject becomes object, object becomes subject, and change in the verb according to the different forms of the tenses of the verb. Now I am going to discuss one by one as per the forms of the tenses. First is present tense. The first form of the present tense is simple present. Now I am taking a sentence which is in the form of simple present. Suppose he plays cricket. It is in active voice and we have to change it into passive voice. First we have to identify the subject, object and verb. Here he is the subject, cricket is the object, and plays is the first form of the verb. I have told earlier that subject will be object, object will be subject, and there will be a change in verb. You see how it changes. The structure of the passive form is subject plus is, am, are, which is applied for the subject, plus third form of the verb, plus by, plus subject. After the voice change, the sentence will be cricket is played by him. Dear students, next we will discuss about the present continuous. In the present continuous, the active voice structure is subject plus is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object, and the structure of the passive voice will be subject plus is, am, are plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Now we can take an example. Suppose I am teaching you in the active form. In this sentence, we have to find out the subject, the object and the verb. Here I is the subject, you is the object, and the verb part is am teaching. As per the rule, in the passive sentence, the subject will be changed into object, object will be changed into subject, and something change in verb as per the structure. Now the passive voice of the sentence is you are being taught by me. Next is present perfect. In present perfect, the structure of the sentence is subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. And in the passive form, the structure will be subject plus has or have plus been plus third form of the verb plus object. Now we will take an example. Suppose Sunny has broken the glass. First we have to identify the subject, object and verb. Here Sunny is the subject, the glass is the object, and verb part is has broken. When we convert the active sentence into passive sentence, here the subject will be changed into object, that is Sunny will be object, and the glass, which is the object, it will be changed into subject, and in the verb part has broken will change something as per the structure. Now the passive sentence is the glass has been broken by Sunny. Now we will discuss about the past indefinite or simple past. It is just like simple present. The structure of the active voice is subject plus second form of the verb plus object, and the structure of the passive form is subject plus was or were plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Now we will take an example that Sonu kicked the ball. Here Sonu is the subject, the ball is the object, and kicked is the second form of the verb. Now the subject will change into object, that is Sonu will be the object in the passive form, and the ball will be the subject in the passive form, and the verb will change accordingly. After conversion of the sentence into passive voice, the sentence will be the ball was kicked by Sonu. Next is past continuous. The structure of the sentence in active voice is subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object, and the structure of the passive form is subject plus was or were plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. We may take an example of active voice, that is mother was cooking rice. Here mother is the subject, rice is the object, and the verb form is was cooking. Here the subject mother will be changed into object in the passive form, rice will be subject, and the verb part will be changed according to the structure, and the final voice change will be rice was being cooked by mother. Next is past perfect. The structure of the active form is subject plus head plus third form of the verb plus object, and the structure of the passive voice is subject plus head plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. We may take an example that he had done his task. Here he is the subject, his task is the object, and had done is the verb form. Now the subject he will be changed into object, and his task, the object, will be changed into subject, and the verb form change according to the structure. Finally, the passive form of the sentence is his task had been done by him. Next is simple future, and the structure of the active form is subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb plus object, and the structure of the passive form is subject plus will or shall plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Now we may take an example that they will win the match. Here they is the subject, the match is the object, and will win the part of the verb. Here the subject they will change into object, the match which is object which will be changed into subject, and will win the verb change according to the structure of the passive voice. Now the passive form of the sentence is the match will be won by them. Next is future perfect, where the structure of the active form is subject plus shall have or will have plus third form of the verb plus subject, and the structure of the passive form is subject plus shall have been or will have been plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. We may take an example of future perfect, that is we shall have sold our house. In this case we is the subject, our house is the object, and shall have sold is the verb form. Now we change the subject we to the object in the passive form, and our house will be the subject in the passive form, and shall have sold the verb will change according to the structure. And final form of the sentence is our house will have been sold by us. Now the discussion on passive voice is over. Today we discussed about the active form and passive form of the sentence, only affirmative sentence. In the next video we will discuss about the negative and interrogative sentence, how to change active to passive, and change in modals while framing passive voice. Thank you.